to earn online but have zero skills? Don't worry. Today I'm revealing the top 5 Fiverr gigs that require no technical experience. Yet people are making real money with them in 2025. Let's dive right in. Stay till the end because gig number 5 is something literally anyone can do, even from your phone. Yes, something as simple as removing background from images can earn you money. Use free tools like remove.bg or Canva and deliver high-quality images in minutes. Don't know how to write resumes? Let ChatGPT do it for you. Just ask the client a few questions, and use AI to generate a clean, professional resume. Brands, influencers, even small businesses need catchy captions. You can generate 30 captions in 5 minutes using AI. Charge $10 to $20 per order. E-commerce stores always need attractive descriptions. Use tools like copy.ai or ChatGPT to write them. Simple gig, big market. This is gold. Take a client's video, copy the subtitles, and turn it into a blog post using AI. Fast, faceless, and pays well. And the best part? You can do all of this without learning coding, design, or editing. All you need is the right tools and strategy. Which gig will you try first? Comment below. And if you want more videos like this on Fiverr, AI tools, and passive income, don't forget to subscribe to Affiliate Guru Guide and hit the bell icon.